It's a little dark. I'm just going to put the light on to get some sunlight, I guess. So yeah, sorry if you guys can't see properly, but why I'm talking soft is because my mom is watching a movie and I don't want to disturb her. So, if you saw the squishy trade part number 1, you can see my panda bear squishy. That's what I gave to Joraine. So, Joraine gave me this squishy. If you saw her video, you're going to know that she's going to give me this squishy, and she gave it. But she didn't give me the packaging. That's alright, because I don't need packaging. So yeah, and it's so fluorescent. So if you can hear the movie's sound, sorry about it. It's so fluorescent. Oh my god! This is my favorite snack. I have no idea why. Let's call it. Just kidding. But yeah. So this is Squishy Trade Part 2. The most thing I like about this squishy is the smiley face of it. So yeah, I hope you guys subscribe and like this video. Leave a comment that which squishy is your favorite. Bye.